ICOIN sold out. Here's how to buy ICOIN on PancakeSwap after presale ends. Here you can see how to buy ICOIN on PancakeSwap, complete with the steps. ICOIN or ICN is declared to have been sold out or sold out within hours of being launched. Wirda Mansur crypto token is on sale at PinkSale for today's presale event. Based on PinkSale data, as many as 28 million ICOIN tokens have now been devoured by 2,584 holders. These 28 million ICOIN tokens are worth 1,500 BNB. Launching from the official website on ICOIN Global, ICOIN is a cryptocurrency project designed to create a large blockchain-based ecosystem. There are 3 products initiated by ICOIN: Metaverse called ILAND, P2E Game called IBW or Indonesian Battle Warrior, and NFT marketplace iMarket. These 3 products each have an interconnection with each other, and I will provide benefits to the user. Check out below a review of 3 major ICOIN projects. Here's how to buy and sell ICOIN via PancakeSwap. First, make sure you have a BNB balance (BEP20) in your Trust wallet, or it can be sent via another exchange. 2. Open the apps feature on Trust Wallet and select PancakeSwap. 3. Connect the wallet with PancakeSwap. 4. Go to the ICOIN page on CoinMarketCap to get an ICOIN wallet address. 5. Copy and paste the wallet address in the import column in PancakeSwap. 6. Decide how much ICOIN to buy or swap. 7. Confirm if you are really sure, and the transaction will continue until the process is complete. 8. Add ICOIN to the wallet list in Trust Wallet to display your ICOIN balance. 9. You will receive a different amount of ICOIN than the one specified at the time of purchase due to the gas fee. 10. You can also do the opposite to swap ICOIN into BNB when it increases later on.